What's up, everybody? Welcome in to Take Two. I think it's gonna be better, anyways, because the last video really just didn't focus on the vast emptiness of space. It really just focused on like atoms and how much empty space there are between atoms. I wanted to focus on more of the space aspect of it, not just like the basic building blocks of matter. All right. I was watching something, a small YouTube channel, a guy named Mark Fusion, who is hilarious. He's not a big channel at all, a few thousand subscribers, but he'll get high and just watch like stuff from like the 80s, like public access, or, like aliens, cryptids, UFOs, just like random like trippy stuff. That we watched something about the Bermuda Triangle. It's really great because he has like little live streams where he'll have like a community. It's like 15 of us, just the weirdest, most unemployed people you will ever know, just talking about weirdest shit, smoking weed, and yeah. But yeah, they mentioned we watched the UFO thing, and a guy was like, if I shine this beam of light into space, it'll go on forever. Not that just you maybe revisit some things I learned about space in the past. How that beam of light will go on forever until it hits something or like bounces off an object or like wraps around it. We know as light does, but there's a very low likelihood it ever touches anything. The space is so damn empty, and I forgot what empty space was. And we're gonna do a mind blowing facts video for the first time in a while. Okay, so I think over a year probably. So I googled how empty is the universe, and this is what I got. The universe is incredibly empty, with the majority of its volume consisting of void space. While it's not entirely empty, the amount of matter and energy present is incredibly small compared to the vastness of the universe. Estimates suggest that only about, all right, here we go, 0.00000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 4.99999999999. Yeah, that's nuts. And like that also, let's talk about the Voyagers. Voyagers 1 and 2. The farthest human-made objects in space right now. And they will never hit anything, most likely. They've gone for like billions of years, trillions, I don't know. Like it's very durable material. You're in the like medium of like interstellar space. It's like nothing. It's not gonna break down. It's just very cold out there. It's just gonna keep going. And man, it blows my. It's never gonna hit anything. They just go. The Voyagers are just going. And man, space. There's like nothing out there. Just look up one night and when I just look at the sky and think about that. The fact that like the closest exoplanet to us, planet outside of the outside of our solar system, I guess. The closest planet outside of our solar system is at what, Proxima Centauri. That's like 4 light years away. That would take like hundreds of thousands of years for us to get there at current technology. It's nuts. Like we're talking light years. The distance beam of light travels in a calendar year. If we were moving fast as a beam of light, it would take 4 years to get there. That's crazy. All right, the universe contains vast cosmic voids, regions that are mostly empty of stars, galaxies, and even dark matter. The voids can span millions of light years and are crucial to the structure. Millions of light years of voids. Think of what that would look like. That is terrifying. That's terrifying. Imagine just looking out, you just like, reaching your hands out, just black. Space scares the shit out of me, but very fascinated by it as well. But yeah, dark matter and dark energy. By the way, before we get in this, dark matter, dark energy are like one summer, like 2022, I spent all my time just locked myself in my room, bought all these space books, bought a telescope, and just learned everything I could about space. Dark energy and dark matter basically just like placeholder terms for future scientists that will know more than the current generation of scientists do and the previous generations of scientists. We don't know what it is, we just know how it influences the objects around it in terms of like gravity. We don't know what it is or where it came from. While the universe isn't entirely empty, the vast majority of it is made of a mysterious substance called dark matter and dark energy. These components are invisible and account for a significant portion of the universe's mass and energy. Matter concentration. The matter we can see, like stars and galaxies, only accounts for a tiny fraction of the universe's total mass and energy. Even the most dense regions, like star clusters, are still incredibly sparse by our everyday standards. Interstellar medium. Even in the relatively empty spaces between stars and galaxies, there's still some matter known as interstellar medium, which includes hydrogen and helium atoms. No absolute vacuum. While space is often described as a vacuum, it's not a true vacuum. Even in the deepest voids, there's still few particles present, including the remnants of the Big Bang. And that's a story for another time. A breakdown for now. We break down the Big Bang. I believe the Big Bang happened. I'm a Christian, but I 100% believe the Big Bang happened. I think why couldn't God influence something like the Big Bang? It had to have a catalyst. It couldn't just happen for no reason, right? I believe in the Big Bang. I believe in God. Why can't you believe in both? There's some stupid, simple-minded people that think you can be a Christian and believe in Big Bang cosmology. Yeah, fuck you. Anyways, that's it. I'll be a Christian and believe what I want to believe. All right, that's the video. Let me know what you think. This universe is like nothing out there, just empty space, and it blows my mind. If you want my honest opinion, I don't think we're ever gonna leave the solar system ever. It's just there's just too much empty space out there, and the technology to like carry humans will just I don't think it will ever exist. It'll never be able to move fast enough to get us anywhere. Like I understand like the solar cells program and all that, where you know send all these like little thin metal little like microchip size like sails or whatever to the Proxima Centauri that might get there, but you can't do it with humans. I don't think we'll ever leave the solar system. I don't think we should leave the solar system. Everything we need is on Earth. Just stop abusing this planet. You'll be fine. You don't need to fucking go to Mars. That's fool's talk. You have everything you need here. This planet's perfect. We're breathing air, we're drinking water, we're eating food. You are a fool if you want to leave Earth. You're an Elon Musk level drug addicted loser. Anyways, that's it. The universe is relatively empty, and we're nothing in the grand scheme of things. Just remember that as well. See ya.